Okay. So in the last class, we discussed about how to upload products and what is bundle product, right, sir? So what is bundle product, Sarath?
Bundle products, nothing but a group of products.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So bundle product is nothing but a group of products, right? So generally, you cannot say group of products. Bundle product is nothing but a product which contains multiple options.
Yes,
Okay.
sorry.
So group of products means it become again all the products.
Yes,
So
yes,
understand? So bundle product
yes,
is nothing but a product, main product which contains multiple options.
multiple. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What is standalone product? Subbareddy?
Sir,
What is standalone product? Standalone product means what? Samir, what is standalone product?
single product which is not sold as a package. It's
Yeah,
just,
if one
it's
sell
kind
single product alone, then that is nothing but a standalone product, right? Okay. So that is all. I think today we'll discuss about bundle product only. Okay, in the last class, what we discussed is we have created one bundle product called desktop package. So we have added two options, I think two, three options. We'll go to that product. So, so this is a main bundle product. So how we can add options to this product, bundle product? Where we have to go? Which object you have to use to add the option? Shared
of
options?
options.
Options. So this is a object. So generally this is nothing but what is the object name? Product option. Okay. So for the main bundle, this is a main bundle. Under the main bundle, if you want to add a sub product or like a child options. Okay. So we have to use the object called product option. Okay. So last time already I have added monitor 12 and 14, right? So here you can click a new button. You can choose all these things. But what happen if you have like 50, 60 options? Can we do it manually? If you have more than like 50, 60 options, how we can do it?
Bulk upload.
Bulk upload. We have to use the tools, right? Either Salesforce Inspector,
Data
does
input.
yeah, anything. So, so if you remember here, what is the important fields here? Like to load the product option. What are the important fields here by seeing this, which is required?
Number, optional
No,
SKU,
number, configure SKU,
option.
optional. What is configure SKU? This is nothing but a main product, bundle product, right? So under this
Yes.
bundle, which option you want to use, that we have to choose this option here, correct? And what is
Yes.
number?
Sort order. Options is sort order under the main product.
Correct. Under the main product, options, ordering. Which option you want to display? First, second, third, right? If you see here, last time I have given 10, 20 means. So if you open desktop package, first this option will come and second this option will come. So why I have given this this much of like a number gap 10, 20?
So suppose in future if you want to add monitor 13, at that time we can manage by using the number 11 like that.
Correct. Exactly. So in future, what happens sometimes in the desktop bundle product. So if you want to include a monitor 13, so how we can include monitor 13? So I can get one more option, right? At that time, I can give number 11, right here. If I give number 11, so what will happen? It will come immediately where? Under the monitor 12. So just that is a gap. It is not mandatory. It's like a just like a future consideration in case if there is any new products are coming, new options are coming that we need to include between the monitor 12 and 14. That's why we are giving this sequence. Okay. So now what I can do is I can remaining things I can upload using Salesforce Inspector. So as we see here, there are some important fields. One is the number field is important. Main product, bundle product. Under the bundle product option, which option you want to add, right? And quantity. So you can take some these fields in the Excel, right? I can go to this. So this is last time we have uploaded products, right? Successful standard price book. custom price book, all those things we have done. So now we are talking about options. For options, this, right, these are all important. Okay. So how you can get this API names? Just you can go to the object product option, you can get this API names in case if you want, right? So number is nothing but which one? This number. This is the number, field label name. In the API name, we can see. Why it is for every field you can see SDQQ? Any idea?
It is the
What is
package, right?
Package names.
We install a package, so that is the reason.
Correct. Salesforce CPQ is nothing but we have installed a package. That is the package namespace. Not only fields, for everything, objects, fields, record types, anything. That package will that will start with the namespace. Okay. So now I'll take some other options under the desktop package. So this is success file. So actually, so here what we have to choose? This is a lookup field, right? Lookup field means we have to give name field or ID we have to give here while inserting data. To insert data, here we have to give the names like this, or we have to give this ID.
ID.
We have to use ID. So this is also ID. So first we'll take desktop package ID. How we can get desktop package ID? Where you have to go? So already we are in desktop package. How we can get the record ID now?
URL.
URL. So just copy it and go to this option. So where is that field? This is right. So this one. I can just use okay, it is taking sequence. Okay, I don't want. Okay, first we'll take one then. So this is a main bundle product. So options, which options you want to use? Under this main bundle, I'll go to the success file. So already I have added monitor 12 and 14, right? So remaining I'll take now. This from where? So from here onwards. Okay, this is which one, madam? Monitor 12, right? Okay, already added monitor 12 and 14. Now we'll have to add from here onwards. So copy this. What are these things, madam? What are these things here?
These are IDs of
IDs of products.
Optionals. Yes.
Options, right? Now these are nothing but standalone products. Now we have to add this standalone product under the which one?
Bundle product.
Bundle. So that's why
Main
we have
product.
main
Yes.
product. So now currently these are all standard products. So now I want to include these products as a bundle inside a bundle. So we have to take this, all these IDs. So I'll take all these IDs. Okay, don't take all the IDs. Just I'll just remember wherever I'm taking, just take that much only. So yeah, till here you can take. I think trackball mouse, true wireless earbuds.
94.
Just remember this much.
94.
Copy this and go to the option. So where you have to use this one? Option, right?
Optional
And
SKU.
correct. Under that, and then what else you have to take? Okay, go down. So this we can create a separate Wi-Fi package that is differently. So that's why I'm not taking this IDs now. I don't want this Wi-Fi. I'll take that as a separate IDs. And you can take this desktop manual and desktop back also. These two also I want to include in this product. Okay, desktop backup and desktop manual. Also, I want to use in this option. Take this IDs also. Wait, going down. Okay, and go to success file. I want to include these two also in the one bundle. And apart from that, Lenovo you can create separate package, not required now. Lenovo you can ignore. If you want it, you can create separate package. And you can take this laptop manual. This thing from here onwards. You can take this. Okay, remember whatever the options I'm taking, just use same options under the desktop package. If you use a Wi-Fi in the desktop, it is not suitable. So that you can get separate package. Okay. So I have taken all the IDs. For all these options under which bundle? I want to include all these options under which bundle?
Desktop progress.
Where is that by desktop? This is right. This is the ID. So main ID. So I want to include all this under this one. Okay. So now we have a option is there, main product is there, quantitatable. What is what is the use of this field? True or false? This is checkbox, right? That's it. So by default, if you make it rateable, so in the bundle, we can modify the quantity of this option, right? Then quantity default, I'll give a 1. For all the products, default quantity, I'll give 1. Options. For the options, I'll give default quantity is 1. Number, I can give already 1, 10, 20 is there. I'll choose now 30, 40, like that I can choose. I can okay. So now we have ready. These are the important fields if you want to upload the product options, right? So first important is main bundle. What's the main bundle ID? This is the main bundle ID. And under the bundle, which options you want to include? I mean products. If you want to edit true or false, make it true. Quantity 1, number sequence. Okay. So Control A, C, copy it. So which tool we can use to load this? You can Salesforce Inspector only. It is very useful, right? For data import. All right. So then, what operation you want to do now? Insert, update, or which one we have to do now?
Insert.
Insert.
Which object?
Product object.
Product, madam.
Sorry, sir. Product options.
Product option. This is option object, right? Product option. It is not showing. OPT. This one. Can see product option. So this one. So we have CSV file already, Excel file. Copy and paste. So it is mapped automatically. Why? Because I am using API names directly there in my Excel file. So no need to map again manually. So that's why I always use API names directly. Column them. So automatically it will map. Otherwise you need to map again manually. Okay. So batch you can take 25 size each size. You can make threads is fine. 6 is fine. 6 will be in the okay. Click run insert. So now everything is inserted. All are success. No fail. Okay. What you can do, just copy this one because sometimes we have to use this file in future also. This ID is option ID. So copy this one. I'll put after this. Okay. So I can give this is a rename. Product option success file. Okay. Sometimes we have to use these IDs in future, though that's why we have to taking backup. Okay, that's all. So now we can see how it will our bind product. Where we can check all those options are inserted or not now. Where I need to go?
Go to
Related
desktop
object.
package.
Related
Desktop
object.
Desktop
package only.
related.
Where we have to go?
Related. Refresh.
Here only, right? Just refresh the page. So already 2 is there. Now we can see all the remaining things on.
100
Yes,
it will be shown.
almost 100, I mean. Not sure.
Yes. 98 you inserted under remaining.
You can see now sequence also. You can just double click there, you can see sequence number 10, 20, 30, right? So whatever the sequence number is there, in the same sequence, it will display. How we can test now? Go to the any existing code, or if you want to create new code also fine. I'll take existing code. So now you can see first 12, 30 monitors will come, next processors will come, next RAM will display, next hard disk will display, next operating systems will come, then these are all softwares will come, right? Then all things will come, miscellaneous some other things will come. Okay, manual stuff. Okay, now go to this any existing code. We can how we can go to the cart page now?
Edit lines.
edit lines. Right? All these are existing products under the code. If you want to see that bundle, how that bundle will display now.
Add
So click
products,
products.
desktop package selection.
Correct. Then we have to choose the desktop package. Click select. So now you can see automatically this bundle. Because we have 100 options, so it is taking some time. Can you see, madam, now where is added our bundle product? Here you can see. How you know this is a bundle product, madam?
There is an icon, no?
Yeah,
There
if
is
you
an
see this
icon.
range icon, reconfigure icon, that means it is nothing but a bundle product. Remaining all are nothing but what? Standalone product. So in this all standalone product, what is this I? Why it is coming this one? Is this in bundle one or normal product?
Bundle
Is this
one.
bundle product,
It's
normal standalone
required,
product or bundle
required
option?
bundled option, which is a required thing, I think.
Correct. So if you remember last time we have enabled two checkboxes. One is called selected checkbox and required checkbox. What is the difference between this selected and required checkbox?
We cannot remove the
Requ-
required one.
Correct. We cannot remove the required one. Selected one, it will also select by default, but if you want, you
We
can
can
remove.
remove.
So now I think this one, which one? Monitor 14, right? If you go to the monitor 14 here, so I think it may be selected or it may be required. So that's why if you go to the option, so it is required. So that's why automatically it is displaying there. Understand, madam? Ardhamat, now why it is coming automatically this one
Yes.
only? Because that is automatically required in that
Yes.
all those things. If you want to reconfigure again, if you can just click a reconfigure. See, this is by default selected, required checkbox. You cannot uncheck it. But if you want to select other things,
We
you
can't
can select. This one, I want that one
remove.
processor. I want that one RAM, one hard disk, one OS, right? You can select it and click a save. Now you can see it. Whatever the options you selected, you can see all those options under the bundle. So these are all options because these are not a standalone product. Under this bundle, these are all options. What about all these things above four? Is it which products? Which type of products? All
Standalone.
standalone
Standalone.
products, single products. That's why you can, if you want to sell, you can sell it. If you don't want, you can remove it. That's it. Right. But if you observe, madam, here, all are like there is no like something like identification. Which one is bundle? All these options. Something should be displayed hierarchy, right? So that we can understand like that. So at least if you do identify, okay, just 1 minute, getting some charger issue.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you hear me right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So in case if you want to see exactly which one is bundle, just forget about this wrench icon. By seeing this, you can easily understand, right? But in case if you want to see by seeing this directly view only, if you want to identify which one is bundle, which one is standard, so there is something called settings. In the go to the setup. In the package settings, we can do that option. So we can easily enable some icon there. Okay. Go to the package. Package inside package. If you go to the configure, So what we can call this option, sir? The page name and what we can call this page? So normal, this is nothing but a quote line editor, we can say quote line editor, because here only you can see quote and all the lines, right? So normally we can call it as a line editor, or we can call it as a cart, whatever it may be, right? Multiple names we can call, but this is nothing but a quote line editor. So if you go to the settings, so for that quote line editor, there is separate tab is there. So if you want to do any settings under this, right, and this quote line editor, so which tab we have to use? This line editor we have to use. So there is checkbox called visual product hierarchy. If you enable this checkbox, so what will happen is for the bundled product, it will display one icon. Okay, I'll show you that icon also. If you enable this prove and save, I'll click to save, right? Okay. Now if you just go to your cart again, just refresh the page. Again, I'll add a bundled product. Desktop package, click select. So is there any difference now? Before and previously, now and previously?
And there's a drop down
Icon.
icon. Yeah.
Icon is coming, right, sir? I'll go to the configure page. I can add some more options here. Something like I'll take some processor, 4 GB RAM, and I'll take some hard disk, and I'll take some software. Click save. So now we can easily identify this is a bundle product. All above are standalone products. It is same like a height, same in the same option, same sequence you can see. But when it comes to options, you can see little bit space under that bundle product. So like this, you can easily identify which one is bundle, which one all this things. Clear, everyone? What is the use of the checkbox? Right? How we can add that and how we can enable the checkbox? So in the package settings, in the line editor, you have to enable that option. In package settings. Okay. Okay. And one more thing is, so for example, if you click this option, right? So you can see like there are so many options under the one package. Okay. There are so many options, like we have different multiple monitors, multiple processors, multiple RAMs, right? It is looks like a little bit like a mess up, right? We have everything in a options. It is coming like that. So what we can do is we can like categorize it. What we can do is I can give a one section here like a monitor. Under the monitor section, I want display only monitors. I can create one more thing called accessory. Sorry, this processor. Under the processor section, I want display. So I want to make it like sections. I mean, I want to categorize all these options based on the like some we can give a name, right? If I'll give a monitor options, we can use this one. So if you want to achieve that functionality, normally in Salesforce here we have something called future. So what is future is nothing but it is a collection of similar options. What is the future? It is collection of similar options, right? For example, if you see in this bundle, there are so many options. If you observe, all these options are similar or not? Monitor 12, 14. Similar or
Yes.
any difference? Similar, right?
Similar.
If you see processors, all these are belongs to which category, which thing, group? Processor
Processor.
group. If you see all these things come under which group? RAM group,
RAM.
right? Or this group, something like that. So I don't want to display like this. I want to make it like a categorization like that. Okay. So if you observe, if you go to the product option, there is something called feature, right? So here, for example, just for testing purpose, this is which one, madam? Monitor 14, right?
Monitor.
I'll go to the first monitor just for one thing. I'll go to the monitor 10, 12. I'll give a name future. So if you want to set future here, what you have to do? First, we have to create a futures. Then we can select the here in the option level. So how we can create futures? There you can click here, you can choose it, but that is not good. First, we can get all the futures individually. So that what we can do, go to the main bundle, go to the related list. So all these are options. So similarly, we have something called futures. For this bundle, which futures you want to use? I want to create it first. I can create it. Go to the new button. So I can give future name. I have already somewhere I have written somewhere. Yeah. This is the first one I will give a feature name is monitor. Again, this is also same number sequence. Which feature you want display? Which first, second order, right? Sorting order. So I'll give one. So it's fine. You can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also fine because there is a very rare cases to add a features in the middle. But still, if you have any confusion, you can go with like a 5, 10, 15, 20 like that. So whatever you want, you can use it. I'll go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, no problem. Because I don't want to include any features further inside the bundle. So feature name, monitor, sequence is first. This is under the which bundle? Desktop package. So minimum options, you can choose a 1. That's it. Okay, we'll discuss all these other fields later, but time being, you can use all of these 4 fields. So feature name, number, minimum options, desktop package. Okay. So click save. Save and new. I'll click a save and new. So second, I'll give a processor feature. I'll give a name equals to 2. Minimum options, I can give it 1 only. I'll explain you what is that options, all those things. Click save and new. Third one. So I'm just having a very less, right? I'm creating manually. In case if you have more features, you can do Salesforce inspector. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా? Hello? Why I'm creating manually? Because I have less, right? So that's why I
Less
need.
only.
Yes, sir.
If you have like 100 and all, they cannot use this option. You can go for the CSV file, same like that, you can include it. I'm taking operating systems. Number 5. Click save on software. Right? We'll give a 6th feature. Click save on here. And give accessories. Number. I'll give a 7. Save on new. Miscellaneous. Okay, I'll click 8. So I have 8 features under this bundle desktop package. Click save. So once you have feature, now you can go to the option. So here I can shoot the feature, whatever you want. Monitor. Right? Click save. Sorry, monitor, not yeah, monitor only, correct? Yes. Okay. And I'll go to other option. So I'll go to the main bundle. I'll go to the related list. I'll open monitor 14. So this is also under which feature? Same. All monitors under the same feature. Click save. So just I took 2 only. Remaining we can use the data loader. I don't want to it. Just for testing purpose, I have just added 2. For 2 options, I have added manually feature. So now how it will display, you can see in the cart. Add the products, desktop package, select. So after setting bundle, it is directly going to the code line editor. If you click this configure now, you can see that feature. Right? Why it is showing only 2? What about other options? Still showing other options.
Because we added this one only for
For these 2 only, I have added a feature called monitor. Right? So that's why. So what we have to do now? All this also under which feature? This one only. So all this processor I want to add which one? Processor. Okay. So for that, what you cannot do it all these things manually. Again, what you can do?
Import.
Import or update? What we want to know? We want
Sorry,
to
sorry. Update.
update
Update.
existing options.
Yes.
We
Yes.
want to
Yes.
update existing options, right? So that's why I have to go. So what I can do now, already I have a Excel file is there. Just now we have done. Yes or no? This is just now we have uploaded from 30 onwards. Yes or no? So from 30
Yes.
onwards, what I did, madam, I have uploaded. So all this, if you want to update, which field is important? ID
ID.
field only. So that ID I'm taking here. Go to the sheet. I'll take ID here. So this is now nothing but which ID? Which ID this is?
Option side.
Product option ID. Correct? Okay. So now we have to add a future. But by seeing ID, how we can identify it is like all these things, right? So we have to know the names also. So I'll go with the just typing, I'll copy all the names here. Otherwise, what you can do is, we'll do one thing, sir. We can write as some SQL query on the product option object. Data export we have to use to write a SQL query, we have to use data export. So this is from product option object only. So which fields you want to update now? Mainly future, correct? So for that, what I can do is select ID, comma. I want ID also I want. And what else you want, madam? Hello, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am, sorry. Actually, Wi-Fi is disconnected. Now I have connected through mobile. So if you have any issues, so just let me know in case of my screen is not displaying properly. I'm sharing my screen again. Okay. You can see my screen, right? Everyone able to see my
Yes.
screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what I'm doing is I want to update product options with a feature, correct? So that's why I'm
Yes.
taking some important fields here to update. One is ID I want, product option ID I want, because for updating ID is important. But I want to know the refresh it. That ID comma. Uh,
Main product also. Main product ID.
no, don't need main product ID. Why we need main product? We need if you update the options, that is fine. Right? We need ID and feature name. That's it. Okay. But here to identify which feature, we need to know the name of that feature just to identify which are like belongs to monitor group and all, right? So for that only we have this. So this is optional. This is mine option SQR. Yes, I'll take this one underscore or dot name. Why I'm taking underscore or dot name, I'll tell you. Okay. You will understand. So and I need a feature. That's it. So everyone knows we have all features are now blank except two options remaining all are blank. Yes or no? Except, but here for which bundle? That is important. Here we have to check the one bundle. What is the bundle name, sir? What is the bundle name field? I think configure.
SPQ.
No. ID
Oh,
we have to
configure
use.
Configured
SKU. Okay.
SKU.
Field
SKU.
name you are asking. Okay.
And that ID we have to get. So how we can go to the products?
Product.
So desktop package.
Desktop package.
Here,
URL.
now tell me, madam, in this query, what you will get? So under this bundle, whatever the options are there, all those options you will get.
Yes.
Understand,
Yes.
madam?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So use this query in case if you want in further future, I'll use this. Okay. Once you get, just click run export. So you remember, right? We have added only for two options. I have added future. Yes or no?
Yes.
So for remaining
Yes, sir.
options we have no, right? Now we have to do is okay. And one more thing is here we can use the field called number, madam, so that we can make it a sequence. We'll understand, right? What is the sequence here, right? 10, 20. Now what I can do is I'll make it order by this one. So don't worry about this query and all. Okay. Anyway, in a Salesforce development part, will cover what is SQL and all. Now just why I've taken order by this field, because I'm getting this number sequence order. Correct? So that now we
Yes,
can
correct.
understand. Okay. Now we can understand easily. All are coming, monitors coming first, next processor coming first, second. So
For the sequence, we have given the sequence number because of which option you want to display in which sequence, right? So that's why I have given this one. So use this query so that you will get the exact
We
options
could,
under the
we
bundle.
could have selected the feature itself in the Salesforce, and we could have got
Correct.
the ID from there also.
Yeah. So another option is what you can do is, so first, while you are uploading product options, right? So here also you can choose the of features. Instead of updating again, what you can do at the time of loading product options also, you can first create features, then you can use the that ID. So here also fine, feature ID. Understood what I'm saying?
Yes.
So here also directly you can use, but before that, what you have to do, first create features manually there, then add the IDs here based on the product sequence number, and you have to add it. So for example, here you can see 32. How many monitors are there, madam? Monitors from where to where? 10 to 90. We have monitors. So in that case, which feature you have to use? This field you have to use. First, you have to create features in that case. అర్థమవుతుందా? So in that case, first what you have to do is features. So here you can use this option. Not here. So here you can use this option. So from where to where? 10 to 90. Which option, which feature you want to assign? This feature. Monitor feature. Yes or no?
Yes.
So in that case, what you can do?
We have to add this ID to that one,
10,
feature ID.
10 to, number also important, madam. So 10 to 90, no?
90.
Yeah, like this. Right? So that is option also there. But what I'm doing is, because I have not there, we don't have options, we don't have features that time. Yes or no? At the time of loading product options, I don't have features. So that's why I created manually. Then I'm updating the same data. It's also fine. You can do whatever you want. That is also very easy. So before loading options, what you can do first? Create a features, then use that feature ID in the same CSV product option file. So you don't need to do again manually. You don't need to do again once again. No need to update the options. అర్థమవుతుందా? Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay. So now you can do this option also, is fine, madam. At least you will understand how to use Salesforce Inspector, insert, update, and everything. You will understand SQL queries, right? If you do more work now, you will understand all these things. Okay. So now this is the important file. I want to update feature. I'll take this copy. Okay, I'll go to this another file separately. Okay. So this you can delete it. Not required. This is also not required. Delete it. This is required only sometime, at least till mapping. After that, we can remove this one also, not required. So for till where, madam? For all this, we have to use which ID? Same ID. Till where? ఎక్కడ వరకు? Monitor 28,
90.
we have to use the same ID. Right? For processor, which feature ID? How we will get ID?
Go to processor feature, we can get the ID in your.
Yeah, that is also fine. Otherwise, you can write one more SQL, you can do that. But we have less, right? No problem. You can take manually. We have a very less, right? You can take. So processor from where to where, madam? Okay.
19.
19. Right, madam? Okay. So now, RAM again. Go to the desktop package. I'll go to the related list. Take the RAM. I'll go to the RAM. From RAM, don't like a drag and drop, madam. So sometimes it will be like a increase, decrease, it will happen. So make sure you have to give an exact ID. అర్థమవుతుందా? Give the exact ID.
Yes.
Sometimes if you drag, what will happen? Number will increase, decrease, right? So make sure give the exact thing. Next,
Can we
hard
not
disk.
run a query for feature ID
Correct. That is also very easy. Yeah, that is very easy, right? What you
to
can
go
do?
back?
Yeah. For example, this is the just now inserted. You can go to the export directly again.
Open
And,
duplicate tab. You can do duplicate tab.
and one more thing, na madam. So for the best options, I'll show you one thing. So for example, in case if you want to know at least basic SQL query, okay, don't click any wherever you on the screen. So open first of all that product. So now you want query on this which object? Feature object, correct? So open the product, open
Yes.
the bundle. So go to the related list, go to the feature, any feature. Now we are in featured object. Yes or no? Yes or no? We are in
Yes.
feature record. So if you click now, so what will happen is it will give basic SQL query. You don't need to remember again object API name and all. If you click data export, it will give basic query, see, with ID also.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is very important. This is like sometimes it will avoid our work. Otherwise, we have to remember this API name, right? All these things. Once this basic query is there, it is very easy. Remaining things just you can type it. But now you want name, just type it. You will get all the automatically, right? So now monitor we have used, processor we have used, RAM also we have used, right? And now hard disk. So now it is very easy. Where I will go? I'll just copy this one. It is taking some. Remove hyperlink. So till where, sir? Copy this till here. Okay. So now OS. So if you use that Salesforce inspector tool, like it will reduce so much of time because everything instead of now everything going clicking. So how easy, right? You are getting now everything. That's why that tool is very important. And remove hyperlinks. So OS, I'll take till OS options. Okay. Next, I'll take these are all softwares, right? Antivirus. Take software. I'll take software. So till VLC media player, I'll take as a softwares. Next, these things I can take as a accessories. All right, I'll take. I'll put this till where I can take. I'll go down. Yeah, I'll take this true wireless earbuds. So remaining all this stuff backup and manual can add under the this miscellaneous. Okay, so now I can add this to here. Okay, sorry. Control Z. Okay, and this. That's it. Now we don't need all these things also. Okay, now we don't need this field also, this field also. Is it required? అవసరమా మనకు or not required? Which field you want to update actually?
Option.
Sorry, you are updating option, but which field you are updating?
ID.
Already only feature, right? Already this number is there.
Yes.
Already this also there. Everything is there already. So we are updating feature only. So in this case, you don't need all these fields. Even though if you put it, if you use it, no problem. But not required actually. So for updating, which one is ID is important, right? And the other one is which one? Which field you are updating? That is important. That's it. In this case, this one. This two is enough. Just for mapping purpose, I am using all these things. Understand, madam?
Because already all details are stored
Already all
option
this
details, so that
all
is
is
the reason,
there.
right?
Yeah,
Okay.
already there. And one more thing, just for identification. If I see this name, I understood, right? For where I need to go to this feature, right? By seeing these names, I can understand like which feature I need to assign. If I choose ID, if I use ID, can I assign? By choosing ID, can I assign the feature where I need to till where I need to add?
No.
No. So just for
No.
understanding purpose, I am
Okay.
using this field here. That's it. But our main important field is this one. We need to assign to all the options feature. Understand, Mana?
Yes, sir.
So I'll take this one. Tell me now which operation you have to choose now. Which one you
Update.
want to choose?
Product.
Update.
Update product option.
Data import. Which operation?
Update
Which object? Option.
product option.
Select it. So it is mapped automatically because I'm giving same names. So batch size you can put less 25. Click run update. We are getting 100 queued, huh? Not sure. Run update. Okay, all are updated. Now we can check how our bundle product looks. Okay. How we can check? Go to this code, any existing code. I can open any existing code. Can edit lines. Select add products. Desktop bundle. Select it. Okay. Now you can click the reconfigure. Now you can see all the features, right? For monitor, we can see 12, 14, 16. For processors, we can see all the processor related things, RAM related things, right? Now it is easy compared to previously without feature. Now with this feature, any difference is there? ఉందా లేదా? Compared to previous without feature and with feature. So now if anyone wants to like buy some software, directly they can come to this section. They can buy some office, like some MS Office they want to software, right? This is easy. If you show all the options, it is little bit like difficult.
Can
They,
yes,
they
yes.
want they want any hard disk, they can directly go to this hard disk tab and they can select it. That's much easy now, right? So that's why features also important to categorize the options. To categorize options, we can use a feature. That's it. There is not that much, right? Now you can see it. So what is the error message? Can someone read this? Desktop package, too few options selected in where?
Process.
Processor. So if you remember, when you are loading features, so by default, all the features, there is something called min options. You remember? If I'll go to the
Yes, minimum one or something.
their minimum value, what is the value we have selected there? 1.
Yeah.
If you go to all the features for the bundle, so what is the meaning of that? Minimum 1 is you should select at least one options under that feature. If I'll go to the package, go to the list, you can see what is the options we have selected. Minimum options for all the features. 1. What is the meaning of minimum options in the under this feature? So in the monitor, at least you set one option. For processor, at least you set one option. RAM, at least you set one options. Right? If you are not setting minimum one options, it will throw error message. So that's why it is showing error message. If you don't want, you can make it 0. Right? In case I don't want to select any operating system, you can make it 0 here. I'll tell you all these options later. Now at least we can see I'll set one processor here. One RAM also I have selected. The hard disk also I have selected. OS, I'll set one. Just one software is there already. Accessories, you can select anyone. Miscellaneous, I'll take that one. That's it. So clear now? Understand how all the options are displaying with the feature and all? Okay. And one more thing, if you see, this option, this configuring this bundle products, it is coming when? See, for example, I delete it. I'll go to the completely refresh the page. If I'll go to the add products page again, starting page, this is right. If I select this package, so what is happening? It is showing configuration page or it is showing code line editor. Which one is showing this is? If I select this bundle, if I click select, where it is going? Configuration of the options or it is directly going to the line editor, code page?
What page?
Yeah,
Cop page, outline.
correctly. Yeah, actually what is happening if you set this one, it is directly going to the line editor. It is
Yes.
not showing the options first. First it's directly going to the line editor, right? So why? Because it is behaving like this is there are some two important fields in the product object. Okay, I'll go to the product object. In the product object, if you want to configure bundled products, these two are very important field. One is configuration type and configuration event. So what is happening is, if I click edit, if there is no option is selected configuration type and configuration event, so how this behaves is like this. So it is like this. Is that two options? Here. So this is like a two picklist fields. This is like a controlling field. This is like a dependent field. I think everyone knows what is controlling field, dependent field, correct? So based on this pick list, it will list the pick list values. That is called based on the options here, controlling field. This is a select. We can display like this. So by default, how this is working is, if even though there is none, here also none, here also none, even if you use allowed edit, both are same. See, for example, I'm selecting allowed edit option, click save. So both are same. Allowed edit means what is happening, you'll see now. We'll go to the page again, I'll refresh the page. So previously there is no options, both are none, none. Now I have given, what is the value I have given? Allowed edit, right? So now also what will happen? First, we can select the bundle. So what will happen? It will directly go to the line editor. Okay. Then you can reconfigure it. This is called allowed edit. So first it will directly go to the line editor option. Then again, if you want to reconfigure, you can reconfigure it. That is the use of that two fields, allowed edit. Okay. We'll go to the other options now. Click edit. But that is not recommendable. Most of the cases we will not use this option. So
There is no difference, right?
Yeah, there is no difference and both are same. And even
Yes.
this option also no useful, madam. Okay. So it
Yes.
is like that. But what option mostly in the company they will use is either they can use a required always, okay, allowed always, both are same. There is no difference. Required always and allowed always, both are same. But it will be like some little bit difference in like a product rules. While they're creating product rules, we can use these options. I'll tell you that options. But time being, both are same. Time being, just assume both are same. Required always and allowed always. Okay. So what is the use of these two? For example, I'll choose required always. What will happen is, so whenever you are selecting bundle product, first it will show the product configurations. Select it, then go to the code line editor. Okay, I'll show you first. Now, if you go to the refresh page, so if you use allowed always or required always, any option, both options, if you select any bundle, what will happen is first it will show the configuration page. It will show the bundle configuration page. Then you can select and you can go to that option. Understand, everyone? Tell me now what will happen. It will go to the line editor or configuration page now.
Configuration page.
Why? Because of that two options. Which options?
Yes.
Allowed, always,
Always.
or required always. Both will work same. Most of the cases. Understand? Now you can see it is showing configuration page first. Then
Now
you
it
can
makes sense.
now it is like a 99% will use this option only.
Yes.
Otherwise, directly you can add bundle product without any selecting. It is not recommendable. But that is also will use for which cases something if you see, right, there is something called static bundles. Static bundles means what? For example, you can take what we can take any product, madam, example, something called KFC meal. Okay, in that meal, what will happen? If you select that KFC meal package, by default, you will get a meal, some nuggets, and some drink, some French fries. It is mandatory, right? Whenever you choose that meal KFC meal package, by default, these 4 options should be included by default. Okay, if you want to use it, if you don't want to use, that is your wish. But if you take that KFC meal, what will happen? That 4 options
Okay.
will come. So in that case, what will happen? We can use that option. Other option we have, like it is allowed edit just now, right? We have used, right? So that time what will happen is, in the option level, there is checkbox called selected checkbox. You remember? Selected checkbox, required checkbox.
Yes,
So
yes.
if we select the
Default,
checkbox for
it will
that,
be selected.
default, if you select that 4 options, select checkbox, so by default it will display right way. In that cases, it will be useful. But 99%, this is a recommended one. We have to give options to configure. Understand, madam?
Yes.
Okay. So now allowed always. So what will happen? So whenever you select bundle, first it will show the configuration page. This is configure the options. If you are after configuring, you can just click a save. Now it will go to the line editor.
Outline item.
Yes. In case if you want to reconfigure again, you can reconfigure the option also again. You can come to back. You can do like both. You can go front. You can come back. Whatever you want. Front, right? Understand, madam? Arthamavundha? For example, last time we selected Intel IM processor. I did want one. I want this option. You can do that again. Click save. So that's why most of the cases will use a allowed always, required always. That 2 options. So in that case, what will happen? You can configure initially. You can configure later also. Both times you can configure your bundle product. Understand, madam?
Yes.
Okay. So there is something called allowed all add. I'll show you what is the allowed add. If you choose allowed and add. So what is the meaning of this one is? So it will show configuration page initially, madam. While adding to the line editor, it will show first, but later you cannot see that reconfigure option. I'll show you this option, but this is not at all recommended. At least you can use allowed edit. Why? At least you can see the reconfigure again. But this one, there is no option to reconfigure. Only you can configure first time only. Okay. I'll show you, for example, refresh the page. You can configure only first time. Once you, after configuring, you are going to the line editor, you cannot configure it. For example, I'll show you now. Now tell me, it will show configuration page or not first. Allowed add. What will happen? It will go directly line editor or it will show configuration page. Hello, everyone able to hear me or not?
We'll go to
Yes,
bundle
yes.
configuration.
Yeah, because of allowed and add, it will show first time it will show the configuration page. Click select it. Allowed add, first time it will show it. I'll select some options here.
Okay. Once if you select, it won't show.
After selecting, we will navigate to the line editor, right?
Okay.
After selecting, what will happen, madam? We'll go to the line editor, right? In this
Yes,
case,
yes.
you will not see
Outline
that option.
item.
You cannot set this option. Miscellaneous. Okay. Now, after selecting, you are going to the line editor. There you cannot see that reconfigure option. Can you see reconfigure option now
Okay.
anywhere?
Okay, understand.
All right. So that's why this is also not recommendable. So mostly allowed always, required always is 99%. Okay. And there is something called disabled and always. We'll go to that option also. Disabled always. Any guess? Any guess, madam? By seeing this option, you can easily identify what is the meaning of this disabled always.
It can't, we can't select options. I think configuration options. It is showing disabled all the things.
Correct. Even the initial also it will not show. Later also it will not show.
Hmm.
That is the use of this option. Okay, I'll show you now. Let's say this one. Can you tell me? It will like show configuration page? No. Directly where it is navigated? Line editor. Can you reconfigure it again?
No.
No. So when we can use this option is, For example, you can take our example only, madam. So we have some products called Wi-Fi packages, right? Something we have Wi-Fi related packages, products we have, right? Yeah, example, you can take this option. All right. So for example, whenever I'm selecting that Wi-Fi package, I want to select this Wi-Fi 10 centimeter automatically. How? Because of that selected checkbox is true. Understand, madam? And Wi-Fi wide most all is required. Wireless power bank also required. So Wi-Fi route also required. And remaining installation is required. Subscription is required. So for example, what I'll do, I'll create a Wi-Fi package. So in this Wi-Fi package, what I can do is for all, there are so many options. All these are belongs to Wi-Fi only. But what I can do is for all this important thing, right? I'll make it selected equal to true. So now tell me if I select Wi-Fi package, I'm giving options is disabled always. What will happen in this case? If I select a Wi-Fi package bundle product, there I'm giving these two values, disabled always.
Only Wi-Fi package will be displayed, rest all will not be displayed.
Wi-Fi package will display along with these options
Yes, yes, it will be displayed default.
because of this
So,
checkbox.
yes, yes.
So in that case, we can go for disable always. Okay, I'm just giving example. Okay, something like static bundles, madam. Okay, in case some static bundles are there, right? Cannot remove anything. Like just now tell you KFC meal and the KFC meal package. You can add all those options, right? French fries, cool drink, and some nuggets and some meal box. So this four is mandatory with that package. In that case, what you can do, you can make it all the options selected, and you can make it that bundle is disabled always.
Okay.
Understand, madam?
Yes, yes.
But that is very rare cases. Okay. Okay. That is all now. So even if you you have to create this package also, madam. Okay, what I can do is we have created only desktop package right now. Okay, I'll do one thing. That is also we can create. How we can create Wi-Fi package? So what is the numbers here, madam? Starting number 97, right? 97 to Wi-Fi support. Okay. So first we'll take
112.
I'll get that bundle also. We'll see. I'll go to the first of all products. We have currently only one bundle that is desktop package. I'll go to the other one also. All products. I'll take Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi package, right? I'll take this one. So now tell me, madam, how we can add options for this package?
Go to options and we have selected
Options,
in the-
new button, right? Okay. We can load it. I don't want to do again manually. So what are the important fields to load the product option? This, right? Feature is not required because very few options we have, correct? So
Yes, yes.
I'll take this. Okay, this is a which one? Feature, right? And after feature, I can here I'll create one more. Features. Update. So I'll take now a separate one. This fields only. Okay. First of all, how many options are there? I'll go to the product success file. So I have to take Wi-Fi only, right? I'll go to the success file. I'll take Wi-Fi related things, right? Here only. Here only, right? From here to, I'll take this IDs. From where? Wi-Fi support. Right, madam? I want this. Okay. Where I need to add this IDs?
Sir, why you are taking the product IDs, we need to take option IDs, right?
We are creating options right now. How we can get option IDs? We are creating which package now? Wi-Fi package.
Wi-Fi package. Yes.
Only bundle product is there now. Under this, any options are there? What we have to do now? We have to create options right
No.
under this package.
Yes, we need to take the options of this product, right?
Which
But you are
product?
taking the products.
Yeah, options are nothing but products only, right? Just now what we did here. What are these things? Options are nothing but what? Products only. These are all products only, right, madam? So this product under this bundle,
Okay.
this product under this bundle. You're confusing or what?
Okay. Okay.
So now these are all products, my right? Which products? Wi-Fi related products, correct? Yes or no? So this is
Yes.
nothing but options. These options under which package? All these products should come under which package? Main product. What is the main product?
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. So this is Wi-Fi package, correct? Currently, is there any
We need to
options?
get the ID. No options.
So now all these are nothing but all these products are nothing but options under this package now. Yes or no?
Okay.
All these
Yes.
products are nothing but options under this main bundle. Yes or no, madam? That's
Yes.
it. So number I'll give a 1, 2, like this. Quantity I'll give default 1, 1. Like this. Everybody is following what I'm saying?
We
Any
need to add
confusion?
selected. Yes. We need to add selected field value also to default.
Yeah, if in case if you want to add that also you can select it. Correct. For example, I can select
Because
here.
it is not editable.
Yes, and if you want to do that option, you can select. I'm
It
giving
is
just giving.
it is it is mandatory, right? So that is the reason we need to give selected option too. I think required option also.
You can
Hello?
make it selected, madam. Not required. Required means you cannot remove it. Selected means you can remove it again if you want. Understand? Required means you
Yes.
cannot remove that one. Selected means at least we can do remove and something. Okay. So I'll make it selected true now. Control A, Control C. How we can upload, madam?
Import.
Okay.
Import update operation.
Update operation. You are updating what you are doing now. You are updating or
It will
inserting?
be insert record. So
Which record you are inserting? Product options, right? Like this. So everything is mapped. This one is not mapped. Just like that. This field. Okay. If you are following my confusion, you are doing inserting or updating now options. What we are doing
This
now?
new option. Okay.
New-
New options, right? So that is the reason we need to insert.
Yeah, insert only. New options under which bundle? This bundle. That's it. So click run insert. Inserted, right? Just copy this one for future reference. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi package. So don't insert all the options products under the one thing. So make sure that whatever that we have done, same thing you have to do. Under the Wi-Fi, you have to insert only Wi-Fi thing. Now if you go to the your Wi-Fi package. So what we can do now, if you
It
want to
will
make it
show.
everything is mandatory, which options you have to choose? I want to include all those options. By default, I don't want edit, madam. Simple. I don't want to edit this bundle.
Disabled always.
Correct, madam. So I'll go to the disabled always. Accept. So now we can try how it will working.
It won't show configure page.
Yes, it will show configure page. For which one? Which bundle?
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. It will directly add all the options under the
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. I'll select this one. Where it will navigate now directly?
Outline.
Quote line editor, right? So now you can see whatever the options, because selected is true. So that's why all these things are coming automatically here. If you want to reconfigure, can you reconfigure it?
No.
No, that is the option. So that's why it's because here again we have a 10 meter, 5 meter. So it is not required both, right? So we can make it, we can buy only one, right? In case in that case, what you can do, you can choose this is not like a static bundle, madam. Actually, for testing purpose, we have given all the options selected. But here also we have multiple options. You can select only one at a time, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, you can, but just I want to show you, you cannot reconfigure. That's why I have it. So normally what you can do is, you can make this one also allowed and always, so that you can choose only one cable. You can choose only one customer support, right? All these things. Just for demo purpose,
Like,
accelerate.
like we can select the options, whatever we want under the Wi-Fi
Correct,
package,
madam.
right?
Correct. For that, what you have to do?
Always.
You have to use allowed always or required always. Any other option.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll make it this one also now. What, madam?
Allowed always.
Allowed always.
Configure.
So
Now it
now,
will show configure page.
correct. Now if I'll go, sorry, edit lines.
First one.
So add products. Which one, madam? Wi-Fi packet. Select.
Wi-Fi package.
So now it is showing configuration. Why it is selected by default all those things? Because of the checkbox. Which checkbox? Selected by
Yes.
default. So
Selected
now
true.
I don't want 5 meter now. I don't want any custom cable. I want only 10 meter cable. Okay. I don't want earbuds. I don't want mouse. I don't want power bank. I want stand. I want router. Right. Remaining these platinum, silver, I don't want service agreement, right? I'll take gold customer service. I'll take a 24/7 support. Wi-Fi installation required. Subscription also required. Support also required. That's it. Now you can click say whatever you want, you can select it. So this is like a difference options. We have allowed always, all this difference. Type allowed edit what will happen, allowed always what will happen, disable elevate. So all these things you can choose. So clear, madam? Understand everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So what you can do is tomorrow, before tomorrow class, will you try to upload this data? Don't confuse it. Just if you want, I'll share this second, this latest file. Make sure what are the like options we are using. Don't, if you include all the products under the one bundle, again it is difficult. That's why just make it a different bundles. Now how many bundles you have to create now? 2 bundles. One is desktop package, other one is a Wi-Fi package. In the Wi-Fi package, there is no features. Okay, just only options are there. But on the desktop package, what we have, madam? We have all the things. In the desktop package, we have this is a desktop package only, right?
Monitor, processor.
Yes, this is,
Monitor, processor, like that.
yeah, this is desktop package. So make sure how correct options you have to choose. Okay, you can load this one. Tomorrow we'll discuss other options inside the future, all those things. But please complete it
Sir,
and tell me, madam.
sir, please share the class notes also.
This one, huh?
Class notes, notepad. Please
Sure,
upload
madam.
this one also in Drive. Drive.
Yeah, sure, madam. I'll upload, madam.
Tomorrow, can we start the class at 7? Because 8:30 I'll have some work. Is it possible?
If everyone is okay, I'm fine, sir. Monica is for you is fine because you only have some issues, right? So that.
Okay, okay, sir. Tomorrow at 6 p.m. also I'm okay.
Okay, madam. Tomorrow will connect even early as soon as early possible. But 7 p.m. is you can confirm. But in case if you want to start early, also fine. Everyone is fine. We'll start early also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay, we'll connect maximum 7 p.m. only. 7 to 8:39. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thanks everyone, sir. Bye.